Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to comment a JavaScript code. So let's do it. I've already created a file here, script.js, and write this line of code, console.log. You can say whatever you want to say. I've choose to say hello my people. So if I run this code on the terminal, let's run it. JavaScript will print it. Hello my people. Now, in order to comment this line of code, we have to write // twice. Save it. And now if we run the code again, JavaScript print nothing. So JavaScript doesn't execute the code because it's commented. Alright, so yeah, now if we have a case where we have a lot of line of codes, so in this case we can comment, we can do it by typing / asterisk and then there is slash. So that's how we can comment multiple lines of code. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share and comment. Have a great day. Bye bye.